bakit ka tumatawag? Tapos sinabi ng kuya ko, yung nanay natin bumili ng supplement. So, tinype ko yung brand name niya. Then, walang lumabas. So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya registered.
That's suspicious behavior.
Yeah, that's still an answer, which is no.
Yes. Hey there, welcome back. I'm Julia Villa Ignacio, and this is the Pill Talks podcast, a podcast series on online supplement awareness and consumer behavior. Today, I'm here with Lionel Lumandas. They're 21, a student in Metro Manila, and they've been verifying supplements for the past 3 years. My first question to you is, were you always this careful, or did something happen that made you this careful?
Um, Something happened. Pero una, yung family ko, bumibili sila lagi ng supplements kung ano na pinapainom sa akin. Like, parang height supplements, like yung mga branded, even though yung mga parang timplado, where you have a tablet, tapos i-dissolve mo siya sa isang baso ng tubig, and then we have to drink it. So, kasi supplements, it's like an alternative for medicines, for medicine for us before. Kasi medicines and doctors check-up is very expensive. So, parang naging alternative namin yon. Pero yon, something happened. So, I think that happened, well, it's not a personal experience, pero yung something na nakakadala. So,
That's what made you start verifying supplements, no?
Yeah.
Can you like expound on that experience?
I think it happened like 2023 kasi nasa mall, nasa SM Dasma. I was about to meet my friends para manood ng newly released na Five Nights at Freddy's sa cinema. So so I nerd a bit. So tinawagan ako ng kuya ko, sabi niya, "Hello, bakit ka tumatawag?" Tapos sinabi ng kuya ko, yung nanay natin bumili ng supplement na parang slimming supplement. And then, I'm not gonna name drop yung brand kasi una, baka ma-demanda ako. And second, nakalimutan ko naman
And
yung brand
hindi
name.
tayo sponsored.
Yes, and hindi tayo sponsored. So, after noon, sabi niya, nag-order daw yung nanay namin ng 2 bottles of like slimming pills, slimming supplements. And then, sabi pa-check daw sa FDA. Then, sure, hindi ko alam kung bakit ako inutusan kung kaya naman niya gawin sa bahay. So, like, sige, bunso naman ako, so sunod na lang ako. And then, okay, anong brand name? So, tinype ko yung brand name niya. Then, walang lumabas. So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya registered. At pag hindi registered, dapat hindi siya binebenta sa public.
Wow, okay. Well, did that come to you naturally? Like, you knew how to use the FDA portal. Was that your first time? Or can you tell us about your first time? If
That was my first time.
That
Pero,
was.
parang ginaid ako ng kuya ko na, eto, use this website and then you just type the brand name.
And then, kung wala yung
Kung
name
wala,
doon,
di parang syempre, sayang yung pera ng mother ko. It was
Hindi
2
siya
bottles though. So,
FDA.
there's a lot. So, in the end, hindi na ininom ng nanay ko, which is dapat lang. Ayun.
Yeah, buti naman, inutusan ka para i-verify to, di ba?
Oo.
So, may perks yung pagiging bunso.
Yeah,
na,
so parang medyo na-pick up ko na yung habit from
Na-pick up mo na.
from
So,
that situation.
That's great to hear. And I feel like having that positive experience because natulungan mo yung nanay mo was something good.
Yeah.
What did you feel when you realized you could start verifying products in this way?
Oh, well, wala lang, charot. Well, it feels good naman. Kasi, I don't really like relying too much on other people's reviews. Kasi at the end of the day, it's your buyer's experience, like your own personal experience that would yung priority. So, if at least I can verify based on myself din naman. So, and also it's an effective process. Unlike when I have to depend on other people's reviews, I have to like stack them, pros and cons. Parang it would take like days, weeks just to verify a lot of things. So ayun. So it's a great way na I can by myself. So ayun.
So can you give us like a number, a specific time? How long does this actually take you?
I mean, what I would advise is just go straight to the FDA verification portal kasi that's faster and more efficient. Like it took me like less than a minute.
Less than a minute.
So
As
you don't,
we have seen
yeah,
right
you
now.
don't have to copy my own length process, pero it's just a way to parang for
Be extra careful.
be extra careful
Mhm.
and to look for like what are other factors to consider.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Thank you so much for that.
Mhm.
What about tell us if you've ever found a product that wasn't verified? Can you tell us an experience if you have one, and
Mhm.
what did you do after?
Yun nga, I think dun sa experience ko sa mom ko, like yung nasa mall ako, dapat na-report ko siya knowing now. Pero that time, it
Dapat.
never crossed my mind. Kasi, again, I don't know how.
Yeah.
Pero,
First time.
yeah,
first
first
time
time.
na yun.
And the way kung paano parang i-advise ang public na hindi pala registered siya is like through post
Mhm.
na parang, hey guys, this is not registered. Don't buy
Yeah.
this. Parang yun lang yung nakikita ko sa FYP. Yun. So, pero it never crossed my mind na parang mag-report. Kasi, again, I don't know how that time.
Mm-mm. So, looking back on it now, if you were to go through the same kind of experience again, or if
Mhm.
you were to find
Mm.
an unverified product, you would report it
Yeah,
using
I
the
would. Or
FDA portal.
if hindi ako maka-report, let's say I want na parang to advise the public agad, I'll
Yeah.
just go straight dun sa advertisement tapos may comment section. This is not verified.
This
Don't
is not
buy.
verified.
Just it's more of like I would prioritize advising the public more than
Yeah.
Yeah,
Use your platform nga naman,
and
sabi. What about in general, online shopping,
Mhm.
hindi lang supplements maybe? Has this changed how you go about the process of online shopping?
oo, kasi I need to verify a lot. Siguro that because of that experience lang, even sa even not sa supplements nga as you've said,
Yeah.
even like sa mga products, even the tech products, I
Tech.
have to parang verify. Even basta in general, it's a general practice na okay, I'm verifying things. I want to make sure that I'm getting my money's worth. Diba?
Yes, of
So,
course.
It doesn't matter if it's cheap, it's discounted, I don't care. Kung hindi ko naman magagamit or mapapakinabangan kahit free siya or cheap siya, then sayang lang din naman.
Sayang
Yeah.
din yung pera. Okay. That is still money that goes
That's still
out of
money.
your wallet. Now, what do sellers say when you ask about FDA registration? What do you think they would say?
Okay. So, I'm not the type of person that would just parang ask the seller mismo.
Yeah.
I'm not
You
that
have to
type of...
you have to have so much courage to do that.
I'm not
no?
that type of person talaga. I'm just looking for like the comments on the advertisement. And then if there would be always someone, is this FDA registered?
Mm-mm.
And then if yung seller or hindi nag-respond,
That's suspicious behavior.
yeah, that's still an answer, which is no.
Yes.
It's not registered.
It's one of the few instances where silence means no.
Oo.
Looking at the comparison, let's move on to the next segment.
Mhm.
When you hear about people who don't verify, because you're a very careful person,
Yeah.
but then not everyone is like that.
Yeah.
What crosses your mind?
I think they just don't know how, to be honest. Again, everything is like digital na. Even like yung sa ko. Kasi what I saw na parang ang pinaka-common bumibili ng supplements is like parang matatanda. The older
Yeah.
generations. Kasi they want something na a cheaper alternative to medications and a cheaper alternative to like check-up
And prevention.
and
na rin.
prevention. So parang I think they just don't know how to verify lang
Yeah.
talaga. And also they're not too tech savvy kasi everything is digital nowadays din.
Mm-mm.
So ayun, I think we just have to educate them.
Yeah, and I think there are a lot of alternatives kasi to the official FDA verification. A lot of people think that it's okay just to ask around, no? Yeah, like-
Also based on they're more on like based on gumana ba to sa'yo?
Gumana ba?
Oo, marerekomenda ba to? Gumana
So,
ba to sa'yo? Parang ganun siya.
Even sometimes they don't care about if it's verified or not. Basta gumagana.
Pero like,
Mm-mm.
sure, it's effective.
But
pero
it's risky.
yes, on the long run, paano na?
Mm-mm.
Diba?
I agree.
Mhm.
And with that, what would you say now, or do you have anything to say to someone who's never verified before? Maybe all of our watchers right now.
Grabe. Bakit? Charot.
Bakit? That is the first question.
I mean, if I have to give you something, just ano na lang, just verify using what the government provides. Yun nga
Yes.
yung FDA verification portal. Just use that portal kasi it's for everyone to use naman. So at least double check. Kahit yun lang yung first step.
Yeah.
To a smarter purchase ba? Ganon.
I agree. You use it. It's already provided
Yeah,
to
it's
you.
already provided.
It's already
O
there.
kahit kung hindi ka marunong, kung hindi ka tech savvy, utusan mo na lang yung iba para
Oo,
sa'yo.
kung may kapatid ka na mas yung bunso.
Oo, mas
na
bunso.
parang ikaw.
Oo. Grabe naman. Ah.
Okay. Well, maybe it's not just that they don't know, diba? Maybe
Mm.
it's difficult to make it a continued practice like you, to make it a habit. Do you think this is it's difficult to make this a habit?
For me, well, personal lang
Yeah.
Pero for me, parang hindi siya, it's like an easy habit to pick up. Kasi nga, nadala ako dun sa situation. Siguro yun yung
It was a
factor.
trigger lang.
Yeah,
talaga.
parang yun yung nadala talaga sa akin na, okay, I have to do this every time I want to purchase something.
Mm-mm.
So, ayun.
We're not saying na kailangan magka major life-changing event.
Yeah.
But sometimes that's really what sparks the habit to form. But
yeah.
if you have the discipline and the care for your safety, maybe you
Yeah.
can start that practice
And
right
care
now.
about your money. Ang
Care-
dami na
yeah, your
nagtataas ang presyo
money.
ngayon.
Inflation.
yeah.
Maybe we can go back
Uh-huh.
and let's circle to benefits
Mm.
you've experienced beyond safety.
Beyond safety, sure. Benefits, money.
Money. Getting
And-
your money's worth.
And also like slow down. Don't just purchase agad. Don't just
Yeah.
be a impulsive buyer. Lalo na kung it's about your health.
Yeah.
So you have to be more careful. I think yun nga yung pagiging habit ko of like verifying, checking everything before buying everything. Ayun.
So Lionel, we've talked
Yes.
about so many things.
Mhm.
We'll ask you so many questions, and we've
Yeah.
heard your story. But right now, I think we need to liven it up a bit more. Are you
Okay.
ready to play an activity?
I mean, I don't have any choice, diba?
You're already here. Tapusin na natin to. Are you familiar with the game Red Flags versus Green Flags?
I mean, not the game mismo.
But you can tell what it's about.
Mhm.
So, welcome to our activity Red Flags versus Green Flags e-commerce supplements edition.
Okay.
So, this is how we're going to go about it. I'm going to read 5 scenarios or statements, and then I'm going to ask you to show or let us know if this is a red flag or a green flag. Shout green, shout red.
Okay.
You got it? Okay.
Okay.
And just briefly explain why you think it's red or green
Okay.
from a legitimate perspective.
Okay.
No? Scenario number 1.
Mhm.
A seller lists a weight loss supplement with this description: lose 10 kilograms in 1 week. No exercise needed. FDA approved! Exclamation point. Guaranteed results or your money back. Secret formula from Japan.
Red flag.
Red flag,
Yes.
why?
Kasi, una, again, there should be no therapeutic claims
Mm-mm.
or there's like no approved claims. Parang lose 10 kilograms in 1 week, no exercise needed. That sounds BS. And also, they're very, parang they try na be secretive. Like
Yeah.
yung secret formula from Japan. What is that formula though? So very
secret formula.
so very suspicious na.
I think the wording secret formula is very
Yeah, it's-
suspicious, no? Like what's so secret about it?
Yeah.
Transparency
Yeah,
is
we need that.
we need that. So the answer is correct. It is in fact a red flag.
I'm starting to think na parang okay, para siyang cash grab.
Cash grab.
Mm.
That is correct, no? Parang ganun talaga
Mm.
dating yan. Scenario number 2. A customer messages a seller asking, "Can you provide the FDA registration number for this protein powder?" The seller replies, Yes po, the FDA number is FR-4000012345678. You can verify it at verification.fda.gov.ph. Let me know if you need any other documentation.
Beige tarot. Green
Beige.
flag.
Green flag.
Green flag. Pero again, don't just parang maging dependent lang na, uy, sabi naman ni seller
Mm-mm.
ganito. You still have to do the practice pa din. Pero since they're naman, parang sabi nga nila, you can verify it
Yeah.
sa FDA
They
verification
gave the
portal.
link.
They gave the link, so they're really transparent. So that's a green flag.
Let's see. Is it a green flag? You said beige a while ago.
Oh,
Like you had your doubts.
well,
So
charot-charot
it's
lang naman
it's
yun.
it's time to verify.
Sure.
The answer is green flag. Tama nga, tumpak. You're not gonna lie, I thought this was a trick question. One,
Oh.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's move on to scenario 3. Are you ready?
Sige.
Sige. More energy nga. Sige. Sige, let's go. Scenario number 3. Here it
Oh.
is. A seller's product photos show stock images from Google, no clear view of the actual FDA registration number on the label, and multiple photos, but all are cropped or blurry where the registration should be visible.
Dun pa lang, red flag.
Mm-mm.
Ba't mo blur? That's like an important information
Yeah.
for the consumers. So, parang wala nang transparency doon.
It's all circling back to transparency, no?
Yes.
Let's see if this is correct, which
It
I have a
is.
feeling is. Yes, confident. It is confidently red.
Yeah.
As red as an apple. Baka hindi sila verified
And
or
also
official
some,
seller.
some sellers
Sellers,
are
quote
ac-
unquote.
are parang they're saving pictures from like official product images
Mm-mm.
sa official parang stores.
Mm-mm.
Tapos kunwari nagbebenta sila pero in reality wala.
That's why when I shop, I always ask for on-hand pics. Okay, let's go to scenario 4. We got our second to the last one. A seller prices their whey protein at 2,500 pesos, while most other sellers have the same product for 1,200 to 1,400. That range. So when asked why it's more expensive, the seller responds with, "We source directly from authorized distributors with proper documentation, which costs more. I can provide invoices and certificates if you need verification."
Green flag.
Green flag. Why?
Kasi sabi niya nga, I can provide yung certificates
Mm-mm.
if needed. So, dun pa lang, medyo, again, going back, transparent. Ayun, transparent sila. And also, siguro I'll suggest then is, again, verify din for yourself.
Yeah.
Wag lang dumepende like sa seller lang. It doesn't mean na wala akong tiwala dun sa seller. Pero it's like, it doesn't hurt naman just to check ulit.
Yes.
Ayun.
Protect yourself naman,
Yes.
of course. And let's see if this is indeed red. Ay, green pala.
Green.
Green. Sorry na colorblind ako done. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, the answer is indeed, it's green.
Yes.
Okay, and our final scenario.
Okay.
A customer reports experiencing side effects from a supplement. The seller responds with, "Sorry, you experienced that. Please stop taking it immediately and consult your doctor. Can you send me the product batch number? I'll verify with our supplier and report this to FDA if needed. Here's our return policy." Dot, dot, dot.
Green flag.
Green flag, why?
Actually, medyo bihira na nga tong mga seller na parang, okay, I'm so sorry, I'll be, parang accountable.
Yeah.
So, parang, okay, medyo bihira ka, pero it's good. Kasi a lot of like, sellers, parang, they don't really care.
Yeah.
Like, hindi naman sinasabing lahat, pero there's also someone who experiences na ganun yung mga sellers.
Yeah.
Like, they don't really care. Pero at least ito, they're, parang taking accountability. So,
They're
it's
taking
good.
accountability. Yeah, there's a return policy and
Mhm.
everything. So they really care about their customers as well. Let's see if that's correct. In 3,
It
2, 1. Green flag,
Yeah.
indeed. So that is the end of our activity. Congratulations. You are our big winner. You got it all correct. 5 out of 5.
Okay.
You should give yourself a round of applause. Lionel, I would like to thank you for coming on here.
Yes, thank you then.
Thank you for those very comprehensive insights and
Mhm.
sharing your story with us. Do come back and please verify the supplements I want to buy.
Okay. Contact me na lang.
Okay, I
ganun
got your
lang.
I got your contact. Thank you so much. And to everyone watching or listening, if this conversation resonated with you, take 5 minutes today to check the supplements you have at home. On that note, we'll link to the FDA verification portal in the description. It's free, it's easy, and it could literally save your health. Until next time, stay informed, stay safe, and keep talking about pills.
Too much of taking supplements can actually produce stones in the kidneys, an overstatement,
Yeah.
having the future of healthcare. So I'd say that this is AI. I guess this is a warning to all consumers to be very vigilant on the products that you will be using.